You've put time and energy into planning an awesome event. But to fill seats or boost signups, promotion has to go way beyond a quick mention in one blog post. A better approach? Use AI to weave event details naturally into more of the content your audience is already reading. That's exactly what the event content focus inside Next Level Marketing AI is built for. With one quick setup, every article can naturally reference your event, what it's about, why it matters, where to join, all without sounding like an ad. Just useful, timely info right when readers are paying attention. All right, let's walk through it together so you can see exactly how to set it up. From your dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click Add Content Focus. That brings you to this screen right here. Now up top, you'll see a drop-down that says Content Focus Type. Click that and select Event. That unlocks the fields we need for this setup. First, give it a Content Focus label. This is just for your reference. I'll type Fall Sustainability Workshop 2025. Then, under Event Name, use the full name of your event. Here, I'm putting 2025 Sustainable Design Workshop. Event description is where you tell the AI what this event is all about. Here's an example. I'll type an interactive workshop featuring award-winning designers for interior designers, architects, and creatives looking to design smarter with natural materials and low-impact systems. Next is date and location. You can keep it simple like October 15th, 2025 at Oregon Convention Center in Portland, Oregon. Or if it's online, say so. Event highlights is a great place to add what makes this event special. Here's what I'll write. Live Q&A with material experts, interactive demos on circular design. And finally, event link. This could be your Eventbrite page, a landing page on your site, or even a sign-up form. I'll use a link where people can register for the event. Once all that's filled in, click Add Content Focus, and you're good to go. You can now apply this content focus to any article in your content queue. Here's how easy it is. Go to your content queue inside Next Level Marketing AI and choose any article that makes sense to pair with the event. For example, I'm picking one called Why Local Materials Matter in Interior Design. I scroll to assign content focus, pick Fall Sustainability Workshop 2025, and tell the AI to start writing. Now, let's see how it shows up in the finished article. Sourcing locally often supports methods that need less processing too. That means less use of machines and chemicals before materials reach a space. Some small-scale producers use hand tools or low-energy systems instead of heavy manufacturing equipment. Workshops like the one happening on October 15th, 2025 at the Oregon Convention Center in Portland give professionals a chance to learn more about these choices. The event includes live Q&A sessions with material specialists and demonstrations focused on circular design methods that reduce waste and energy use. These sessions show how using what's already available nearby can lead to smarter construction decisions. For those interested in lowering their impact while designing interiors, attending such programs can offer useful insights into real-world strategies. And then it gives me the link I provided where readers can register for the event. Nice, right? No banners, no annoying pop-ups, just your event, showing up in context and giving readers a clear next step. So if you're planning something great, create an event content focus, assign it to your next article, and let the AI help you promote it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.